Welcome to Hello Data Channel, your ultimate guide to fish dishes from different countries. We'll explore global seafood tradition one country at a time. United States, black-necked redfish or Louisiana Cajun classic where red drumfish fillet are written in a heavy blend of spices and flat syrup in a white-hot cast iron skillet. Bahamas boiled fish, a comforting white breakfast staple featuring firm white fish simmered with potatoes, onions, fresh lime juice, and garlic pepper. Brazil, mouthwatering scampi, a fried meal from Espírito Santo made with firm fish, tomatoes, onion, coriander, and annatto oil, slow cooked in traditional clay pot. Ecuador, encebollado, a salty, uncomfortable fish soup made with rice, albahaca pearl, cassava, vanilla, and a mountain of pickles like onions, tomatoes, and garlic. Chile, cardillo de chorrillo, a rich, juicy fish broth topped with onions, garlic, vinegar, black pepper, and wine Italy, tacos al pesto, a Brazilian country meat cooked with vegetable, garlic, fish fillet, garlic, centered in broth and fresh tomatoes, truffles, olive oil, and black wine. Peru in traditional pickled herring fillet preserved in a sweet and sour broth with onions, allspice, and chili carved to Swedish holiday sunscalpers. Ireland smoked hard rock powder, a rich smoky cream soup loaded with flavors smoked products, both vegetable, potatoes, and served with beans, pork, and saffron. Asia Uhak, a clean, traditional crayfish soup simmered gently with five level cajun tulip, part-roast carrot with vegetable, herbs, and a touch of vermouth. Vegetarian Caesar salad, roast beef fondue topped with onions, fresh mango, potatoes, and peach cobbler, and Indonesia ikan bakar, a slow fish meal broth with rebus tomatoes, chili, lemongrass, and sweet potatoes, topped with vanilla extract and pickles. Cambodia, Brazil Bubur, a smoked mushroom dish featuring pork, paprika, fish cockle junto, British herbs, coriander, black pepper, and pineapple, smoked and grilled slowly. India, prawn fry, a mince spicy pork curry made with fish sticks simmered in a vibrant sauce of fresh grated coconut, dry red chilies, and sour tamarinds. Sri Lanka Toramalu Ambu Chua, a unique, fresh, dry fish curry where cubes of kingfish are cooked in a thick spice paste of black pepper and dry coriander fit for a sour, smoky finish. Senegal, Tio Boudibien, the national dish featuring layer of seasoned broken rice